2 pieces of paper. That's all that's left of a lifetime of stories of one woman who lost her life to dementia in Sierra Vista. This memoir was actually written by her family and given to her caregiver so they could understand the person who didn't remember most of herself.
The person that we knew was not her. This was her.
Shelby Weller, executive director for Casa de la Paz Hospice, says knowing who a person was before their dementia diagnosis helps when caring for them.
It's just a few pages, but it talks about his mom and where she was born.
She says knowing a patient's likes and dislikes can help a caregiver connect with a patient, even if they can't speak.
They may not be able to tell you what's in their mind, but when they hear something that's sort of familiar or see something, you can see them visibly relax.
Caregiver support, whether through hospice or assisted living facilities, can help provide 24-hour specialized care, helping patients complete daily tasks like eating, bathing, and changing. Is that okay? Carla Aguilar, director of nursing at Haven Health Sierra Vista, says it's important to meet a dementia patient where they are.
We can't forget that these are people. The best thing we could do with dementia and Alzheimer's patients is listen. Listen to them and see where they are at.
She says remembering they are people allows a natural connection to be made.
How are you doing, darling?
Making it easier to help patients when they are most vulnerable.
When she became agitated, she would just see me and grab my hands. I am gonna be one of the last people to take care of her. This is the impact I want her to have in her life, that she was not alone.
Hospice care can start as early as a life-altering diagnosis is made, even if a patient already has a caregiver.
The more care, the better.
Weller and Aguilar agree by listening to their patients, they can provide the best care, but they're also encouraging families, especially of those with dementia and Alzheimer's, to do the same. While they're able to speak, listen, write down their stories like this family did, so that way they can be passed down from generation to generation. In Sierra Vista, Alexis Ramanjulu, KGUN 9.